If you've observed a decline in the strength of your legs, you are not alone. With aging, the legs are often the first to experience a decrease in strength. This weakening can lead to issues such as poor balance, instability, and a higher risk of falls, which are major concerns for seniors. However, the good news is that by consuming the right foods, you can rebuild strength, enhance stability, and maintain strong legs for the long term. This video delves into 4 essential foods that can aid in strengthening your legs, safeguarding your mobility, and promoting independence as you age. Each of these foods contains vital nutrients that support muscle maintenance, improve circulation, and prevent stiffness, ensuring that you can stay active and mobile. One of the key foods discussed is salmon, known as a muscle-saving superfood. Salmon is rich in high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for preventing muscle loss, reducing inflammation, and enhancing circulation. These benefits are essential for maintaining strong and steady legs. For individuals like George, who experienced weakness and instability in his legs, incorporating salmon into his diet led to noticeable improvements in strength and flexibility. Another important food highlighted is Greek yogurt, which serves as a muscle and bone strengthener. As people age, the combination of protein, calcium, and probiotics in Greek yogurt helps in building muscle, strengthening bones, and supporting joint health. This is crucial for ensuring that your legs remain stable and resilient. Richard, for example, noticed a significant improvement in his leg strength and stability after adding Greek yogurt to his daily routine. It's crucial to recognize that as you age, prioritizing nutrient-rich foods can have a profound impact on the strength and stability of your legs. By making simple dietary changes, such as incorporating salmon and Greek yogurt, you can support your muscles and bones, reduce the risk of falls, and maintain your independence for years to come. So, if you've been experiencing fatigue or weakness in your legs, now is the time to start nourishing them properly. If you want to assess whether your leg strength is decreasing, try standing up from a chair without using your hands. If you struggle or feel unsteady, it indicates that your muscles require more protein and your bones need additional support. The good news is that Greek yogurt is a simple way to enhance both muscle and bone strength. It is versatile and can be consumed with added ingredients like honey, nuts, seeds, or blended into a smoothie. The key is to ensure that you are providing your legs with the necessary nutrients to maintain their strength and stability. If you are still following along and finding these insights helpful, please leave a comment with the number 2 below to indicate your presence. Moving on, the third food to consider is spinach, known for its circulation-boosting properties. If your legs feel heavy, stiff, or easily fatigued, poor circulation may be to blame. Spinach, rich in magnesium, potassium, and nitrates, helps relax blood vessels, improve oxygen delivery to muscles, and prevent muscle spasms, all vital for maintaining strong and active legs. Good blood flow is crucial for muscles to receive the necessary oxygen and nutrients to function effectively. Slow circulation can lead to weak legs, increased joint pain, and sensations like tingling or cramping in the calves, especially in older individuals. Take Frank, for example, who at 74 assumed his leg discomfort was due to aging until he discovered poor circulation was the culprit. By incorporating spinach into his meals, he experienced improved leg strength and reduced cramping. To test your circulation, press down on your lower leg and observe how quickly the indentation disappears. Spinach is an easy addition to your diet, whether cooked or raw, supporting muscle function and reducing inflammation to keep your legs feeling light and strong. Next up is eggs, considered the ultimate muscle builder. Rich in high-quality protein, essential amino acids, and vitamins like B12 and D, eggs aid in muscle repair, nerve function, and bone health. Including eggs in your diet can help rebuild muscle strength, improve balance, and keep your legs powerful. Protein-rich foods like eggs are essential for preventing muscle loss, often attributed to inadequate protein intake rather than aging. Harold, at 70, noticed weaker legs and instability until he started eating 2 eggs daily for breakfast, leading to increased strength and stability. To test your leg strength, try standing on one foot and holding your balance for at least 10 seconds. If you struggle, consider adding more support for your muscles and nerves. Eggs are a convenient and nutritious option to support leg strength. Whether scrambled, boiled, poached, or in an omelet, they provide the necessary nutrients to prevent leg weakness over time. If you find these insights valuable, please leave a comment with the number 4 below. In conclusion, knowing the 4 key foods that can help maintain strong legs is just the beginning. Take the simple step to incorporate these foods into your diet and start reaping the benefits. Consistently incorporating these foods into your meals is essential, as weak legs do not develop overnight. Rebuilding strength requires daily habits that promote the health of your muscles, bones, and circulation. Whether you are increasing your protein intake with eggs and Greek yogurt, enhancing blood flow with spinach, or reducing inflammation with salmon, these dietary choices can significantly impact the stability and strength of your legs. It is crucial to recognize that you have the power to influence how your body ages. If you have been experiencing weakness, instability, or a decline in leg strength, now is the time to prioritize proper nutrition and take proactive steps. Making small changes, such as selecting the right foods and staying physically active, can contribute to a stronger, healthier, and more independent future. Reflect on the foods you currently consume, and consider incorporating new options into your diet. Have you noticed any changes in your leg strength over time? We value your feedback, so please share your thoughts in the comments section below. Tell us one thing you learned today and how you intend to apply it in your daily life. Your insights are important to us, and we appreciate your contributions. If you found this video informative and beneficial, please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support motivates us to continue producing valuable content that educates and inspires. Thank you for watching, and we eagerly anticipate your presence in our future videos.